When someone asks you, "How do you handle stress at work?" you can say, "I stay organized, take short breaks, and focus on solving one problem at a time." Suppose a friend asks, "What do you do when you make a mistake?" You might answer, "I accept it, learn from it, and try not to repeat it." If you hear the question, "How do you prepare for an important meeting?" try saying, "I gather the necessary information, make notes, and review my goals in advance." Someone may also ask, "What do you do when you have too many tasks?" A good answer is, "I create a to-do list, prioritize urgent work, and manage my time carefully." And when a person asks, "How do you stay motivated?" you can reply, "I set clear goals, track my progress, and remind myself why I started." When someone asks, "What do you do when you face a challenge?" you can say, "I stay positive, analyze the situation, and look for practical solutions." Suppose a friend asks, "How do you learn a new skill?" You might answer, "I practice regularly, seek guidance, and stay patient throughout the process." If you hear the question, "What do you do when you are running late?" try saying, "I inform the people involved, stay calm, and reach as quickly as possible." Someone may also ask, "How do you make important decisions?" A good answer is, "I collect relevant information, consider the options, and choose the most reasonable one." And when a person asks, "What do you do when you feel tired?" you can reply, "I get some rest, drink water, and return with more energy and focus." When someone asks, "How do you work effectively in a team?" you can say, "I communicate clearly, respect different ideas, and contribute my best efforts." Suppose a friend asks, "What do you do when you receive criticism?" You might answer, "I listen carefully, identify useful feedback, and use it to improve myself."